Today, I'll show you how to install IE on the Android tablet, but it's the same thing if you're installing on an Android phone as well. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to About or System, and we're going to click on Software Information here, and we're going to go down to Build Number and just keep on tapping that until you are a developer. So now I have developer mode on. Then we're going to go back to the main screen, open up Chrome, and we're going to type in the following: IYF APK, and this first result from Google is where we're going to go to download our app. And so as you can see on this website, you have both the Android phone version of the app, as well as TV, Windows, as well as Macintosh and iPad and iPhone. So for our purposes, we're going to download the Android version and just click on that, click on download, and download anyways. And this is going to download our file. Just click open when it's done and click on install, and that is basically it. It's going to take a while to install. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for my affiliate links. I click on open here, and there you have it. You have the IEFun kind of app on your Android tablet now. Again, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and buy me a coffee, or you can join my membership. All right, peace. I hope you found that video useful. If you enjoyed that video, you might also want to know how to watch YouTube with no ads. So check out this video here on the left or in the description below. And if you want to watch content, some of the contents are not available on IEFun. There's another platform called Stremio. You can look up guides online. I also have a dedicated video that I made teaching you step by step how to install this software and set it up. However, YouTube will not allow me to post it. So if you're interested in that video, you can buy me a coffee or my membership page, and I'll send you the link directly. Okay, peace. And here is a little snippet of the Stremio tutorial. Before we get into the installation, this is what the actual kind of software looks like for Stremio. As you can see, it's a very simple and minimal interface, just like any of these other major platforms.